Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make matcha cake. It's very simple cake with very simple ingredients. By adding some matcha powder, you can instantly Japanize it. It's so easy and you need only 10 minutes or so until you put it in the oven. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 grams each of sugar and butter, 90 grams of all-purpose flour and 10 grams of matcha powder, 2 eggs and 3 grams of baking powder. Let's prepare the mold first. This is the mold I'm using today. It's 8 cm and 20 cm. Put it like this. And prepare parchment paper enough to cover the mold. And mark 4 corners. Then cut it like this to the mark. And fold it like this. Mark to mark. Mark to mark. Then put it in the mold. Let's put butter, room temperature, and sugar in a bowl and beat it well until it's nice and fluffy. Then eggs, one by one. When it lost the sliminess, add the other egg. And you don't need the mixer anymore. Mix flour, matcha powder, and baking powder. And let's shift it in the bowl. Using spatula, fold it into mix. Then put it in the mold. Put a little bit of the butter here as a glue so the parchment paper don't come down. Dough in the mold. And drop it a few times to flatten and also to push out the air inside. I'm preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's put it in the oven and bake. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's put toothpick to check if it's baked. If there is no butter sticking to the toothpick, that means it's baked. Let's cool it down a little bit. I left it for 10 minutes or so and it's still hot, but it's touchable. Let's take it out from the mold and wrap it tight with plastic film. And let it sit at least for 3 hours, if possible, overnight. It's day 2 and the cake I made yesterday is looking and smelling so good, so it's time to try. Unwrap everything. And let's make 8 slices. And Matcha pound cake is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so rich and moist. I'm a hardcore matcha lover, so the bitterness of matcha is just right. Or I could have added a little more. But if you're not familiar with matcha, you may want to start with 5 grams less matcha and 5 grams more flour. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!